What if I told you there's a cryptocurrency that you could mine, without a single piece of expensive hardware? No noisy rigs, no skyrocketing electricity bills, just a phone in your pocket and a tap on your screen. Sounds too good to be true, right? And yet, millions are already doing it. But here's the twist, this crypto isn't listed on major exchanges, yet. So what's really going on behind the scenes of Pi Network? Why has it gained such a massive following, and could it actually be on the verge of exploding in value? Stick around, because in today's video, we're diving deep into Pi Network's latest developments, the mystery around its mainnet migration, and a powerful new project that might just change the game for Web3 wallets. This is one crypto story you don't want to miss. Pi Network. You've probably heard the name tossed around in crypto communities or maybe even seen a friend mining it casually on their phone. But what most people don't realize is that Pi is more than just another experimental project. It's a movement and ambitious vision to make cryptocurrency accessible to literally anyone with a smartphone. Launched back in 2019 by a group of Stanford graduates, Pi Network took a completely different approach to crypto mining. While Bitcoin and Ethereum demanded high-powered GPUs and massive energy consumption, Pi said, let's do it differently. With a single tap once every 24 hours, users began earning Pi coins, no tech expertise, no costs, no barriers. It was this simplicity that sparked viral growth, attracting tens of millions of users globally. At the heart of it all is the Stellar Consensus Protocol, a technology that allows Pi to maintain decentralization and security without the energy drain. Users are split into three roles: miners, who tap the app daily, contributors, who expand the network by inviting others, and nodes, which validate transactions and secure the blockchain. This layered ecosystem was built to scale efficiently and operate smoothly even from mobile devices. But let's get to what everyone's really talking about, the mainnet migration. For years, Pi Network remained in a kind of locked phase. Users could mine and accumulate Pi, but they couldn't move it or trade it freely. That started to change recently when Pi began its long-awaited mainnet migration. And according to the latest data, over 12 million users have already completed this step. This is huge. Why? Because mainnet migration is essentially Pi's coming of age. It moves the project closer to becoming a fully tradable cryptocurrency. And once the majority of active users make the jump, Pi could be ready for listings on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. If and when that happens, it could mean a sudden surge in demand and price. But let's not jump the gun. The Pi core team has emphasized patience. There are still technical hurdles, ecosystem building, and compliance issues to address before public trading becomes a reality. That said, Pi Network isn't just sitting quietly in a corner anymore. It made headlines as an official sponsor at Consensus 2025, one of the largest and most influential crypto conferences in the world. This kind of visibility is no accident. It signals Pi's growing confidence and a readiness to step into the spotlight. But as exciting as all this sounds, Pi still faces a steep climb. Critics argue the lack of clear timelines and the absence of an exchange listing are red flags. And while 12 million migrations is impressive, it's still only a portion of their massive user base. The rest need to migrate, and fast, if Pi hopes to become a widely adopted digital currency. Now, let's take a closer look at Pi's price behavior. As of now, Pi is trading around $0.6131. It's sitting just above the 100-day moving average, which acts as a critical technical indicator. Over the past few months, Pi has been bouncing between 55 cents and 76 cents. That kind of range tells us something. The market isn't sure where Pi is headed next. Back in late February, Pi had a moment. The price shot up to $3, catching the attention of investors across the crypto world. But that spike didn't last. By mid-March, Pi had tumbled, shedding most of its gains. Since then, the chart shows a steady downtrend, eventually stabilizing around 60 cents to 63 cents in early May. What does this tell us? That we're in a period of consolidation. Traders are waiting, watching for a breakout above the 100 MA or a breakdown below key support levels. If Pi can push above that moving average with strong volume, it might be the start of a new bullish trend. But if it slips under 60 cents again, more pain could be coming. It's a pivotal moment. While Pi works to secure its spot in the crypto ecosystem, another project is rising fast, Best Wallet. And this one might just redefine how we interact with Web3. Best Wallet is more than just a storage app. It's a full-blown DeFi platform with tools that cater to serious traders and casual users alike. It supports over 60 blockchains, offers a slick user experience, and is powered by its own utility token, $BEST. And here's where things get interesting. Holding $BEST isn't just about speculation. It's about utility. Users get lower transaction fees inside the app, access to exclusive crypto presales, and staking rewards that generate passive income. That's not just hype, it's value. On top of that, $BEST holders get governance rights, meaning they have a say in how the platform evolves. It's decentralized finance with real-world benefits. And it doesn't stop there. Best Wallet is preparing to launch its very own crypto debit card, aptly named the Best Card. This could be a game changer. With this card, users can spend their crypto like fiat, bridging the gap between digital assets and everyday purchases. Coffee, groceries, gas, your crypto can finally be used like real money. The pre-sale for Best Wallet has already raised over $11.9 million, and the current token price sits at around $0.024925. With an airdrop campaign ending on May 15th, excitement is building. The team is hitting all the right notes: product, community, and momentum. So, what do Pi Network and Best Wallet have in common? Utility. Both projects are laser-focused on giving users something they can actually use, not just a token to trade, but a system they can live in. As crypto matures, that's exactly what investors and users are looking for: platforms that solve real problems. And while Pi is still navigating its way toward public trading, the foundation it's building, mobile-first mining, global accessibility, and now real-world exposure at consensus, is setting the stage for a potentially explosive debut. In a world full of overhyped coins and forgotten projects, Pi Network and Best Wallet stand out because they're doing something rare. They're building. They're innovating. And they're preparing for the next big wave of adoption. So whether you're already mining Pi or just now hearing about Best Wallet, this could be your chance to get ahead of the curve. Crypto is evolving. The question is, are you evolving with it? Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on Pi Network and emerging crypto trends, and drop a comment below. Do you think Pi will finally hit the exchanges in 2025? Or will Best Wallet steal the spotlight? Let's talk about it. Until next time, stay curious, stay decentralized, and keep mining that future.